Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Mama's Kitchen. Today we're just going to make a quick bite, some stuffed mushrooms in the air fryer. So I have my mushrooms, I popped out the stem, I seasoned them with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper, and Old Bay seasoning, nothing too fancy. And then in the mix, what I'm going to stuff them with is cream cheese, bacon bits, sauteed onions, yellow and green, and a little bit of gouda cheese that I grated over here. So, and of course there's some minced garlic in there as well. I saute them in a saucepan for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to stuff them in the mushrooms and pop them in the air fryer. So we'll be right back and see how it goes.
Okay guys, so we got the mushrooms all stuffed with this beautiful crab bacon cream cheese mixture. And now we're going to spray. I already sprayed them down once, and then we're gonna spray down the air fryer and pop these in and get them going, and then we're gonna come back in a little bit. All right, be right back. Okay, so I fit as many mushrooms as I can into the air fryer. As you know, the sizes vary, so just stuff however many you can fit. Now I'm gonna spray them with the vegetable oil. Quick little spray. And just pop these babies in. We're doing 400 degrees and I set it to about 10 minutes, and then we'll just kind of check it from there until they're nice and golden and looking good, and then we'll be right back. All right, so let's take a peek. Check on them. Wow. You guys, this looks so good. Nice and golden. They actually look about done, to be honest. All right, so I want to take these out and just pop in the next batch actually, and then we'll come back for a taste test. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, bye.
All right guys, and we're back, and this is our finished product. All nice and plated. Looks so good. We're gonna let them cool off and then we'll have a taste test. Be right back. All right, so yes, they're mixed. So now there's a taste test. All right, Nunu, official taste tester.
Smells good. This is good. Oh my goodness.
Not the food dads.
Girl. This is good, you guys. You guys have to try this recipe.
So it's a little messy, but make sure you use a liner and at the bottom to catch the excess cheese, and then you're good to go.
Ooh, so good to go. This is good, you guys. Bye.
All right. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.